Hello students, today we are starting a new topic from your book Snapshot of 11th class and it is quite relevant to your status, that is being the student. This chapter is Albert Einstein at school and it is written by Patrick Pringle. First we will know something about Albert Einstein. As you all know about him, he was, you know that he is a famous physicist. He was born on 1879, and his main contribution to physics was the theory of relativity, and this led to a massive revolution in physics. He is called the father of modern physics. Beside being a famous scientist, he was a great lover of music also, as you can see in this picture. His famous theory is this theory, conservation of mass, and this is E is equal to mc square. Now, what is there in this chapter? In this chapter, we will find that Albert Einstein hated the traditional education system. He did not believe in that system. He believed that learning facts is not education and says that education is not cramming of facts. He believed that ideas are important. He did not like studying history, geography. He just wanted to escape from the uh, contemporary famous education system. This is a story. Yeah, this is story from the biography of Einstein written by Patrick Pringle. There are characters: Albert Einstein, Mr. Braun, his history teacher, Yuri, his friend, Dr. Ernest Weil, a neurospecialist, Mr. Koch, mathematic teacher, and Elsa, his cousin teacher. These characters are from this story. Now, what is this story? Albert's class was on the history teacher. Mr. Braun asked Albert if the Prussians defeated the French to Waterloo. Albert told him that he did not know, and he must have forgotten. This irritated the teacher. He asked Albert why. Albert replied that he did not see a point in learning dates. One could learn about them from books. Ideas are more important than facts and figures. The teacher attributed to Albert that he did not believe in education. He talked in a sarcastic manner. Albert told him that education should be about ideas and not facts. The teacher said that Albert was a disgrace to be there. Albert felt miserable when he left the school that afternoon. He did not like this school. He would have to come to it again. He lived in a small room. It was one of the poorest quarters of Munich. The landlady beat her children regularly. Her husband came every Saturday and drank in the evening, and he then beat her. He did not like the children's crying every time. He told these things to Yuri. He hated the atmosphere of slum violence. Next time his cousin, who is Elsa, came to Munich, she told Albert that if he tried, he could pass the examination. There were more stupid boys than him. Moreover, passing the examination was not difficult. It was simply just to be able to repeat in the examination. That Elsa, he was not good at learning things by heart. Einstein told her that he is not good at learning things by heart. He liked music as it gave him comfort. Albert did not like to remain in school. He met Yuri after 6 months. He had an idea. He told Yuri that if he had a medical certificate that he suffered from a nervous breakdown, he could get rid of school. He asked Yuri if he had a doctor friend. Yuri told him that he had in Ernest Webb. However, Yuri told him not to deceive him, but ultimately he could arrange the certificate of nervous breakdown. And when he went to Milan, he hoped to get admission into an Italian college or institute, and he was given the certificate of getting eligibility for admission in the Italian College of Mathematics by Mr. Koch. And in that way, Mr. Koch, the mathematics teacher, encouraged him. Thank you.